Welcome back to Auto Vibes. Today, we step into the world of ultimate luxury with the 2025 Rolls-Royce Spectre. This all-electric Grand Tourer isn't just a car, it's a statement, a seamless blend of cutting-edge technology and timeless craftsmanship. The Spectre is Rolls-Royce's first fully electric vehicle, yet it stays true to the brand's essence: effortless power, unmatched luxury, and an aura of exclusivity. From the moment you lay eyes on it, the design speaks of dominance and elegance. The iconic Pantheon grille remains, now subtly illuminated, and the spirit of Ecstasy sits proudly on the hood, sculpted for aerodynamics. The fastback silhouette flows smoothly, giving the car an almost yacht-like presence on the road. And let's not forget those massive 23-inch wheels, making it the most visually commanding Rolls-Royce yet. Step inside, and you're greeted with a cabin that redefines opulence. The signature Starlight headliner now extends to the doors, creating a celestial experience. Every detail is handcrafted, from the wood veneers to the plush leather seats, offering ultimate comfort. The dashboard is adorned with an illuminated Spectre nameplate, reinforcing the sense of exclusivity. Cutting-edge tech is seamlessly integrated, with a state-of-the-art infotainment system and the latest Rolls-Royce Whispers connectivity, ensuring a smooth and intuitive experience. Underneath all this luxury is serious performance. The Spectre's dual electric motors deliver around 577 horsepower and 900 Nm of torque, launching it from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 4.4 seconds, impressive for a vehicle of its stature. A massive 102 kWh battery provides an estimated range of about 320 miles, and the advanced planar suspension ensures the signature, magic carpet ride. Starting at around $420,000, the Spectre is more than a car. It's an experience, a statement of success, and a glimpse into the future of ultra-luxury mobility. It stands as Rolls-Royce's bold step into the electric era without compromising its heritage. That's a wrap for today. If you love the fusion of luxury and innovation, hit that like button and subscribe to Auto Vibes for more exclusive car content. See you in the next one.